I wake up in Saigon, sunrise on my screen. Scooter wheels spinning, chasing every dream. A Bangkok night, no pin light, camera in my hand, will feel so right. I don't pack no heavy chains, just my soul and my domain. Freedom stamped in every lane, every border knows my name. Got that passport funk, I'm on a move. From the tuk-tuk rise to an ocean groove. Flying high where the clouds can't catch me. Nomad life, it's a sweet, sweet melody. Bali waves are talking, Wi-Fi in the breeze. Laptop on the rooftop, hustling with ease. Expat rhythm in my veins, changing cities, changing lanes, yeah. Airplane seat, I'm cruising through both sides, sunset, another view. Life's a beat, I never lose. Funky steps in global shoes, are from city lights to jungle skies. Every ride's a sweet surprise. Passport funk, that's my disguise. Living free where the future lies, yeah. Airplane lights fading, another city waiting. I'm chasing sun through different skies, living free, no compromise. Hotel keys, foreign streets, every night a new heartbeat. Nomad love, it follows me from coast to coast, from sea to sea. Jet lag dreams, I'm wide awake, living life for the stories we made. From the scooter rides to the ocean breeze, digital soul chasing destinies. Expat cafes, laughter loud, Wi-Fi strong, I'm in the crowd. Content flows and time just bends. Every city feels like friends. Flying high but my soul's grounded. In every song I'm surrounded. Nomad life, I found it. Every place I'm astounded. Jet lag dreams don't fade away. They just guide me day by day. Nomad soul, forever free. The world's my home, my symphony. Yeah, we moving city to city. Scooters, boats, flights, tuk-tuks, yeah. Catch the vibe, catch the rhythm, let's go. Yeah. Started in Manila, then I drifted to Hanoi. Street food stories, content I deploy. Wi-Fi on my side, backpack never heavy. Life in motion, keep the vision steady. Nomad rhythm in my soul. Every border makes me whole. From the runway to the shore, I just keep on. Nomad rhythm in my soul. Every border makes me whole. From the runway to the shore, I just keep on. More. Expat living, I be sipping Thai tea. Skytrain views while I edit my feet. Digital dreams, turning hustle to streams. Every new city's a part of the theme. Scooter in the night, lights flashing by. Boat on the Mekong, stars in the sky. Every ride's a song, every trip survive. Living life free, that's how I survive. Nomad rhythm, never stuck in one place. Life on the go, I'm winning this race. From the plane to the street, I move with the beat. Global heart, yeah, the journey's completely. Move with me, groove with me. Nomad rhythm, endlessly. Hop in the tuk-tuk, music loud, city lights flashing, I'm lost in the crowd. Bangkok hustle, Phnom Penh ride. Life's a beat and I move with pride. Tuk-tuk bounce, take me through the town. Every little corner got a brand new sound. Scooter speed, I'm flying free. Nomad rhythm, that's the key. Grab my bag, boat on the bay. Editing clips while the waves just sway. Expat zone, yeah, this is my throne. Every port I land in, I call it home. Passport ready, journey steady. Life's a vibe, I'm always ready. Travel loving every stance. World is moving, join the dance. Tuk-tuk bounce, take me through the town. Every little corner got a brand new sound. Scooter speed, I'm flying free. Nomad rhythm, that's the key. Tuk-tuk bounce, take me through the town. Every little corner got a brand new sound. Scooter speed, I'm flying free. Nomad rhythm, that's the key. All around.